Want to hang your art without all the hassle? With Command Picture Hangers, you can transform your walls damage-free. Let's get hanging. First, choose the right hanger for your frame type and weight. Wire-back hangers are designed for wire-back frames. Sawtooth hangers are designed for frames with sawtooth hardware. Jumbo canvas hangers are designed with a sawtooth ridge that grips your canvas decor securely. And our Jumbo Universal Hanger lets you hang a variety of hardware, such as wire-back, keyhole, sawtooth, or rings. These hangers are just for indoors. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need rubbing alcohol, a clean cloth, your Command Picture Hanger, and whatever you're hanging. Wallpaper and strong adhesives don't mix, so avoid surfaces that could tear. For safety, don't use above beds or with irreplaceable items. Clean your surface with rubbing alcohol only. Water and household cleaners leave slippery residues. If frame hardware interferes with Command product, you need to remove it, like this. If not, you're ready to apply. Remove the red liner from your adhesive strip and press firmly to the hanger. Now, remove the black liner and press firmly against the wall for 30 seconds. If you're using a universal hanger, position the post at the bottom for wire-back frames and at the top for all other types. Give the adhesive 1 hour to build before hanging anything. If using the Jumbo Universal Hanger, once the hanger is mounted, separate your stabilizer strips and click them together. Remove liners from one side of each pair and press firmly to the frame near the bottom. Remove the remaining liners and hang your picture on the hanger. Firmly press the frame to the wall for 30 seconds. Beautiful. But what if you want to remove or reposition your hangers? No problem. For easy removal, simply grab the bottom corners and peel the frame from the wall to release the stabilizer strips. Grab the tab with one hand while gently holding the hanger with the other. Slowly stretch the strip along the wall. And repeat with the stabilizer strips. Never pull your tab away from the wall, or it could snap. If your strip breaks, use dental floss to remove the hook. Then pull as normal to remove the rest of the strip. And that's it. Now you can hang and rehang any type of frame while keeping your walls in perfect condition. Only with Command products.